here.
You love me.
Baby. Baby.
Guys.
What?
Look what time it is.
Baby, come here.
My mom is up.
What time is it then? Tell her. Mom, I meant. What? Baby.
What?
Baby's eyes.
Up. You know? She's already up. What?
See? Baby's eyes.
She's already up.
Come here, baby.
What
Look,
time is
look
it?
what time. It's 11:50.
Take his. He doesn't want his.
No, I'm trying to get you to stop it.
Baby.
So what does that mean? 11.
What's this? Or funny. What's this?
Have about 3 minutes until the new year.
Yeah, that's right.
Come here.
That's why
Come here.
I just.
Kiss it.
So what does that
Kiss it,
mean?
kiss it,
What
kiss
do
it.
we have to do when it's the new year?
You can watch the ball drop if you look it up on YouTube. Maybe they'll have it. Look up New Year's Eve ball drop.
Good girl.
Should we do that?
Ball drop it.
Good girl. We're going to watch the ball drop because there's only 3 more minutes. Oh, that's bright.
Oh, yeah, it says he loves you.
Love you.
Hi, Shane.
Hi, Shane.
Why do we have to come up?
So, okay.
He wants us to go up there.